Every parent wants their child to grow up strong, happy, and good. But in today's world, raising a confident and righteous child can feel hard. So, how can we do it in the best way, the Islamic way? In this video, we will learn simple but powerful ways to raise children who love Allah, trust themselves, and walk the right path. First, we must start with love. Show your child love through kind words, warm hugs, and gentle actions. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, always showed love to children. He smiled at them, listened to them, and treated them with respect. Second, teach them who Allah is. Tell them how Allah is kind, forgiving, and always watching over us. Use simple stories from the Quran to help them understand. Children remember stories, not lectures. Let them see you pray. When they see you reading Quran or doing zikr, they will copy you. Children learn more from what you do than from what you say. Give your child confidence by letting them try things. Praise their efforts, not just their results. Say things like, I'm proud of you for trying. This builds their heart. Don't compare them to others. Every child is different. Allah made each child special in their own way. When you compare, they feel small and weak. Talk to your child every day. Ask them how they feel. Listen without getting angry. When children feel safe with you, they grow strong inside. Teach them good habits step by step, like saying Bismillah before eating, praying on time, speaking kindly, and telling the truth even if it's hard. Let them ask questions. If they don't understand something about Islam, don't shut them down. Give answers with love. Say, let's learn together. Be patient. Sometimes children make mistakes. Don't shoot at them every time. Teach them the way the Prophet did with wisdom and soft word. Tell them you believe in them. Say, I know you can do this, or Allah gave you a strong heart. These words become their inner voice. Choose good friends for them. Kids become like the people they play with. Try to let them spend time with families who also love Islam. Limit harmful content. Watch what they watch. Don't let them fill their minds with bad images or ideas. What goes into their heart affects their soul. Give your child dua every day. Say, O Allah, guide my child, protect their heart, and make them love what you love. Raising a child is like planting a tree. You water it every day with love, care, and good teaching, and then trust Allah to help it grow. Always remember, children are an amana, a trust from Allah. We will be asked how we raise them. So raise them with love, with prayer, and with full trust in Allah. And your child will grow into someone you are proud of in this world and the next.